Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YGwigs hair right here. The hair is actually 26 inches and it's a colored hair obviously. So it comes with the wig, it comes with two clips, it comes with the wig cap as well. That's what the hair looks like straight from the box, and it also comes with an elastic strap as well. There's something I really like about this brand is the fact that the quality of their hair is always very top notch, and the fact that the way they sew their wig, the cap of their wig is so smooth and very nice. So that's one thing I noticed about them, because this is about the fourth time that I've worked with them. I really like the way they always sew their wig, but this one has three combs at the front, and it also have one comb at the back. It has an elastic strap inside it, and it also has baby hair around the perimeters of it. So depending on the look you're going for, you can decide to use the elastic strap to secure the hair if you like, and if you like you can decide to go for glue or gel. Whichever one you just decide to go for, it's fine. But in this video I went for the bold hold glue. I layered three layers of the hair with the gel. What am I saying, like seriously? I went for 3 layers of the glue on my head. I waited for the first layer to go dry and I went for the next one. So when I'm quite pleased with that, then I laid the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, the edge of the hair. So to layer the hair flat on my head, I applied my scarf and left it for about 5 minutes, and voila, that's what the hair looks like. Then I cut off the excess lace from the wig, and yeah, you're ready to style the hair as you please. So with this hair I was really shocked, because I was thinking, should I straighten this hair or not? You can pat the hair anywhere you like. As you can tell, I showed you guys how, anyway, it's 13 by 4 lace closure, so 13 by 4 lace wig, so you can pat it anywhere within the 13 by 4 closure. So I applied the mousse on the hair and I was thinking, should I straighten this hair, should I not? But I thought, why do I need to waste my time to straighten the hair? Because the hair was actually silky straight, guys. Silky straight from the box. All I did was just cut my lace and apply the wig, and I'm good to go. The hair was really silky straight. As you can tell, the hair is really long, because it's 26 inches. It's far below my belly button, like it's on my laps. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, that's the first look that I went for. So I thought, since there was no need for me to straighten the hair, I might as well just curl the hair and share my thoughts with you guys, if the hair is hold curls or not. So yeah, I decided to curl the hair for you guys, and yeah, look at that. It's very silky. There was no point of me straightening the hair, so I just went ahead and did a beach wave. Very loose wave, very loose curls. As you can tell, I'm using a big barrel because I needed that curls no curls kind of look, just kind of beach wave or loose wave kind of curls. So as you can tell, it's nothing tight or anything, but bear in mind that you can curl this hair with wand, you can curl it with a straightener, you can curl it with any hot tools of your choice, because based on this time that I curled it, I think the hair really hold curls really well. I still have the hair on me, but you guys can tell the lens that I'm using is zoomed in, so I really can't show the length of the hair while standing. So I've made up my mind that I'll take a picture of the hair for you guys, maybe when I'm wearing the hair to an event soon. So I'll take a picture of the hair, the length of the hair for you guys, and you can check out my Instagram to see how long the hair is. In my opinion, the hair is true to length. As you can tell, despite the fact that it's curled, it's still below my belly button. So depending on you and what length you really want to go for with the hair, there is loads of hair lengths from length 8 to like 30 inches. So depending on the length you want to go for, they have the hair in various lengths. But yeah, this is 26 inches and in my opinion it's very true to length. So yeah, I called the hair, with a big barrel just because I was going for loose curls. As I've told you, as I said earlier, you can call it whatever you like. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The hair holds curls really, really well. I'm quite a huge fan of this hair, and despite the fact that the hair is a colored hair, you'd have expected the hair to like tangle, mat, or shed, or all those things, but I didn't experience anything of such with this hair. It was so silky, guys. So silky. I really like the texture of the hair. I like the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so there's no need for any customization whatsoever. But obviously you can apply powder or concealer on your part if you like, but with this hair I thought there was no point for me to do that, so I didn't really do that with this hair at all. Look at that. I'm quite feeling myself, like seriously. I love it, guys. I love it. There's a lot of tea about this hair, so stay tuned to learn more about the hair and my thoughts about the hair. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YG wig lace frontal wig. The hair is actually in 26 inches and it's silky straight from the box, but I decided to show you guys how you can style it and all. And bear in mind that you can style this hair anyhow you like, but I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed when I unboxed the hair is the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and not just pre-plucked, guys, the hair has been pre-plucked to perfection, like straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about that. And bear in mind that this hair is actually 200 density and it's full from A to Z. If you understand what I mean, it's really full, like very full. I really like the density of the hair. Is really full from A to Z, if you get what I mean, from hair to there. The hair is really full all throughout the length of the hair from head to toe. Like, guys, I really like this hair. It has a very silky texture to it, and I'm quite surprised about the fact that despite the fact that the hair is really long, it's also full to the end of it. So there's no split ends whatsoever. I really like that about the hair. Another thing that I like about the hair, immediately I unboxed the hair, is the fact that the texture of the hair is really silky. Despite the fact that I've curled the hair and all, even though I went for a very loose wave kind of curls, the hair is still very silky to touch. So if you're looking for a very silky straight hair with that bounciness to it, despite the fact that the hair was like colored and all that, the hair still have that luster to it, which I'm quite surprised and amazed about. Like, I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this hair, but in my opinion, this hair is just absolutely amazing. Like, amazing, guys. You can tell when I put my hands in, it just comes out really nice and slow. Look at that. No tangling, no shedding, no nothing. I was actually expecting this hair to like shed, look at that, to shed, to tangle and all that, because it's really long, but there was no such thing. It's really soft. It's very full. As you can tell, my hands go through it like really nicely without having any issue whatsoever. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that it's the kind of hair that you bring out of the box and cut your lace and you're good to go. The reason why I said that is the fact that the hair was absolutely silky straight from the box, guys. Silky straight from the box. I showed you guys when I unboxed the hair was really silky. Like, even at some points in this video I decided not to straighten the hair again because I thought there was no point straightening the hair because the hair was silky straight from the box. So if you're the type that you like your hair, you like to get your wig and cut the lace, and you want to just go out there without having to stress to customize your hair and all, I'll definitely recommend this hair. Also, it has a baby hair around the perimeters of it, so if you really like baby hair on your hair, then this hair is also for you, because there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, and you can you have that choice there as well if you want one. But I decided to brush it into the hair with the mousse, as I showed you guys earlier. This is my third or fourth time working with this vendor, I guess, but yeah, all their hair so far are of very good quality. I really like the quality of their hair, and I like the fact that you know, the quality of the first one was, you know, as the same as the second, as the third, and as the fourth one. So that gave me the assurance that they are definitely a kind of company that I would recommend for you guys, because the consistency of the quality of their hair is really, really amazing. Like, amazing. My thoughts about the hair so far, I've left the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.